Afternoon guys, welcome to another video. I'm just going to show you today how we produce a working drawing of your wooden money box. You should have done the cube drawing warm-up task, so you should be pretty good at the drawing the cubes now. So just a little reminder, what we do is we start off with our crow's foot. Like so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a ruler. So I'm going to extend all these lines just to draw the main shape of the money box itself. Some parallel lines in there. I'm gonna extend this line a bit shorter. Extend this straight out. This line here and this line here need to be parallel. Like so. And this line here needs to be parallel. For this line here and this line here. And then finally, with this line here, I'm going to draw that line in there. Right, and we've got the main shape of our money box. You can use rubber just to get rid of this. We can darken the lines afterwards. Right, I'm just going to draw a slot in the top here. Yours might be slightly different to this, your design, but you can adapt it as you want to. Okay, parallel with this line here. Draw the end of that. Right, and then all I'm going to do is draw a line in there, like that. And there's my slot for my money. Okay, the design on here and on here, it's up to you. You need to think about what you've created and what you want to put on there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just show you a magnification. So what we might want to do is show what's underneath at the bottom, so we can show that the stopper's under there. So all I'm going to do is over here, again, going to show the base of the money box, so it's turned upside down. So, straight down there. Right, next task, I'm going to put a lip on here to show the thickness of the wood, like this. Like this. Like this. Then I'm going to show that is dropped down like this. Then we've got the base, and on there all I'm going to do is show that there's a hole and the thickness of the wood, like that. We can shade that area there in. Like so. What I'm going to do then, up here, I'm just going to draw a 2D plan view of what the stopper will look like on there. So we've got our hole here, and then up here, put a little arrow to show that it moves. And there you go. There's that, and all I'm going to do is on here, I'm going to draw a little arrow to show that that is the view from underneath. What we can do view and base. Okay, as I said, you can put your design on here, show me what it's actually going to look like. Right, your next step, we're going to start adding a few details. So I'm going to do a little line here, a little line here, and a little line here. Notice that they're not touching, there's a gap. We're going to put in some dimensions. The idea of a working drawing is that someone can actually take it and produce the product. So you're going to need measurements, otherwise you end up with an absolutely massive money box that's much bigger than you need. We're also going to put up here, dimensions up here. Feel free to pause the video as you go along. We're going to put 90, we can put 70, we can put 100. Right, we need to tell everyone that actually all these dimensions are in millimeters. So down here at the bottom, a couple of guidelines, and I'm going to make sure I've written in capital letters all dims in millimeters. I'm going to put a title up the top here, move that over slightly. Put some guidelines. We're going to put a hole in base and wooden stopper. We could do a label coming off here. Put some more detail, screwed in. Do another detail here, another label, arrowhead, a couple of guidelines, hole, to remove money. Over here, put some detail about the materials. Main box. made with MDF. You can do narrow coming off here. Slot for money. And then we do one more label here. We're going to put MDF, glued using PVA. Right guys, so very quickly, we've got a title up the top here using guidelines, money box working drawing. Okay, we've got the main box here which you can add your design to. We've made sure we put dimensions on there that somebody knows exactly how to construct the box, and we've got some details about what materials we're using. We've shown where we've drilled a hole in the base here to remove the money. We've shown a little 2D drawing, sort of a plan view, to show how the stopper is attached, the shape of the stopper and how it works going backwards and forwards. We've got some additional information here about the construction of it, so it's glued together with PVA glue, and we've made sure that we've written all dims in millimeters so that we've got the dimensions on there so somebody knows what size to cut the wood to. Okay, that is your working drawing for your money box. Again, please add your own details to the design here, but everything else should look pretty much like this. There's all the details you need there to produce the wooden money box. Thank you, good luck, bye.